Hey, I know practical exam is around the corner and you will be preparing for the same. Obviously that 30 marks are very crucial. There might be some tension and anxiety about preparation. But don't worry, we will go over essential Viva questions for Python to help you feel more confident and prepare. So let's get started. But wait, before that we will be checking the distribution of the marks. Total 3 marks are allotted for the Viva questions. By now your practical file as well as your project report will be ready. In the practical exam, 8 marks allotted for Python program and 4 for queries. We have already discussed one sample paper based on this distribution of the marks in one YouTube short. If you did not check out, I will provide the link in the description. Make sure to go through it. Viva questions can be based on your practical file or project. I will be providing some Viva questions based on the project too. But in this video we will be discussing some Viva questions based on Python. One thing you should keep in mind, there is no fixed set of questions which external will be asking to you. You can do one thing, just open the index page of your textbook and go through all the topics. We will be starting with the basics of Python that are covered in 2 chapters. Proceeding to the random module, then we can go through the topic functions. Moving ahead, you should know everything about file handling. Then comes the topic of stack and followed by the connectivity of MySQL and Python. Revise all the topics because question can be covered on these topics. Now let's go through some of the Viva questions. Who developed Python? You know scientist name, that is Guido van Rossum. Proceeding to the next question, what is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted, dynamic and object-oriented programming language. What's the next question? Is Python a compiler language or an interpreted language? And we know Python is an interpreted language. These are some of the questions based on basics. Let's read the next question. What are built-in data types? Numbers, string, list, tuple and dictionaries. Moving ahead, the next question is what are the 2 modes to work with Python? The first is interactive mode and the second one is script mode. This is very important question. What are mutable data types in Python? It is list, sets and dictionaries. Similarly, external may ask about the immutable data types. It is string, tuple and numeric. You should be clear with the concept of mutability and immutability in Python. Let's discuss the next question. What is string? String is a sequence of characters. This is also one of the important question. Difference between list and tuple. Lists are mutable whereas tuples are immutable. Elements in the list can be enclosed in a square bracket and tuples elements are enclosed in a round bracket. Question can be like this. What is slicing in Python? Slicing is a process of extracting subpart from the given sequence. The next question is very interesting. How can we reverse a string in one line? We can use negative indexing while slicing, skipping starting, ending, and the step is -1. Hope you are getting an idea about the Viva questions. There are some more questions. What is the difference between slash and double slash? Slash is used for division and double slash is for floor division. This operator gives answer in the form of float and floor division returns answer in integer. Proceeding to the next question, what is the significance of pass statement? Pass statement is an empty statement. It does nothing. Questions can be based on the functions and methods associated with the data types like string, tuple, list and dictionary. So go through all the functions and methods related to this data type. Here is one question. What is the difference between append and extend method? Append method is used to add an element but at the last, and extend will add multiple elements to the list. Now we are moving ahead to the next topic, that is function. What is function? Function is a set of instructions which performs a specific task. In the next question, we have to tell the difference between local variable and the global variable. You know, local variable is declared inside the function and it can be accessible within it, whereas global variable is declared outside all the functions and it is accessible to the whole program, to all the functions. There is an interesting question. What is the purpose of else in the loop? The else block gets executed when the loop gets over normally. If the loop will get terminated with the use of break, then this will not get executed. Now we are proceeding to the important topic, that is file handling. You should be aware with the text file, binary file as well as CSV files. So the first question based on it can be, what is file? File is a stream of bytes and it is stored in the secondary storage devices. Whenever we talk about file, the first question comes in mind is about modes. So here are the modes for the text file as well as CSV file, and these are the modes for binary file. We have to just add B for the binary file. If we work with binary file, this is another important concept, that is pickling and unpickling. So in pickling we are converting Python object to the byte stream, and unpickling is the reverse of pickling. Here we will be converting byte stream back to objects. Hope you got little idea about the VIVA questions. In the same way, proceed to the topic of stack and the connectivity. Even you should go through the commands of MySQL, because you will be writing 4 queries based on the MySQL in the practical exam. So external may ask some question on MySQL too. The preparation for the practical exam will be useful for theory also. And that was all about the VIVA questions. If you found this video helpful, do share with your friends. Revise all the topics and stay confident. Good luck for the exam. Let me know in the comments below which questions external asked you. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy. I will see you in the next video.